how to make a brioche. So we're gonna start with adding flour, salt and sugar, and for the yeast mixture we're gonna put it in the warm milk, following with some eggs and butter at the end, and knead the dough until it all comes together. It's really important to knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes until it all comes together, and then you can see how stretchy and elastic does it look, and it literally looks like a balloon. After this, we're gonna put it in the container and leave it for about 1 hour, and after that we're gonna punch it down, and now we're gonna shape the brioche and put it in the container and let it for second proof, and when you have some leftovers you can make a different shape out of it. So it needs to be proofed 1 hour, and then we're gonna follow in with an egg wash and bake the bread, and see that's how it looks.